how to block someone on Telegram. So first you go into your Telegram app. So say I want to block this guy right here. I'll click on his profile and still go to his name section. Then you tap on this three little dots here. You navigate your way to block user and confirm block user. So that's all. That's how to block someone on Telegram. Or another method of how to block users, maybe if there's multiple of persons you want to block and you want to get on with it very fast, all you have to do is click and hold the persons you want to block, then go to that three little dots and you see block user right down here, the last option. Click on it, and to give you an option of deleting the chat with the person, you can go ahead and select block user. It will delete everything about that person.